CAI Ads and Events हे इव्हेंट मॅनेजमेंट कंपनीन बिल्ड अँड डिझाईन एक्झिबिशन 2023 CAI एक्सपो घडून हाडला. CAI म्हणल्यार कन्स्ट्रक्शन आर्किटेक्चर इंटिरियर एक्सपो 7 ते 10 एप्रिल मेरेन बांबोळीच्या श्यामाप्रसाद मुखर्जी स्टेडियमात प्रदर्शन चलतले. मुख्यमंत्री प्रमोद सावंतान कार्यावळीचे उक्तावण केले. व्यावसायिकांक ही एक बरी संद.
I represent a company called CAI Ads and Events. We are one of the leading event management company. This is the 10th year that we are doing the CAI Expo in Goa, which is basically known as Construction Architecture Interior Expo. This is basically a B2B exhibition which is helpful to all the architects, engineers, traders, business people, all these things. There is a showcase of all types of products which is related to the building material, building construction, all these things. Now we request everyone, all the business people, architects and all the traders, the business people to come and visit this CAI Expo. This expo is from 7th to 10th of April, and we are very grateful to the Goa Chief Minister, Mr. Pramod Sawant, who was here yesterday and inaugurated our CAI Expo. We are really grateful to him. We also want everyone to come and visit our CAI Expo, and the benefit is that along with the CAI Expo there is also a furniture and consumer expo which is happening, which is also meant for the consumers. They can have their home decorated with the new furnitures, new interiors and all those things.
I'm representing Integrated Glass and Windows. We are the channel partner for Tostem. Tostem has completed 100 years in the windows and doors industry. It's a Japanese brand. We have completed more than 50 plus projects in Goa, and we are operating from last 5 years. Tostem's specialty is that there is complete sound insulation of 25 decibels, water testing done so that there is no rainwater coming, air tested as well as wind pressure testing done. So this is the specialty about Tostem windows, giving 10 years warranty.
We are based in Kollim, Goa. We are authorized distributors of JSW Steel in the state of Goa as well as districts of Sindhudurg, Ratnagiri and Kolhapur in Maharashtra. We are suppliers of TMT bars and other steel products such as cold roll sheets, that is CR, hot roll sheets and plates, also color roofing sheets. And we are also getting into new ventures, that is of deck sheets and value added addition in TMT bars of making automated stirrups. So we will be able to supply the construction industry with just in time delivery of these stirrups, which will help in reducing the cost at the site as well as the space at the site.
We are making absolutely world class steel in Goa, and we have actually set up a nice testing facility here. We have got all the NABL approved equipments, and we are showing live testing to all the engineers and the customers visiting our stall.
GOA365 खातीर डायलन रॉड्रिगीस, मनीषा जाधव आणि शिवानी सांगेलकर.